Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you each and everyone? Welcome in our new lesson 16.3 with you, Mr. Muhammad Jamal. Our lesson today to continue classify quadrilaterals. By the end of the lesson, students should know how to classify quadrilaterals. As we studied before, this is like a quick revision. Any shape has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's called a quadrilateral. So we said before that this shape, any shape has four sides, it's called a quadrilateral. This is the grandfather. Yes. If this shape has two pair of parallel lines, it's called a parallelogram. If it has one pair of parallel lines, it's called trapezoid. So one pair of parallel lines, it's a trapezoid, because this part here, as you see, parallel to this one, but this side is not parallel to this side. Because of this, we have only one pair of parallel lines here, so a trapezoid. But the other part here, we have two sides here parallel, so this is the first pair parallel, and this is the second pair also parallel. Because of this, it's called a parallelogram. Okay, this parallelogram, it's like a father. It has three different sons. If the shape has four right angles, it's called rectangle. If it has four equal sides, like 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, it's called rhombus. But as you see, the rectangle, it's not necessary that the rectangle all of the sides are equal. It could be different, like 4, and here is 4, here is 10, here is 10 centimeter. So the sides are not equal here. But in the rhombus, the sides are equal, but look at the angles, acute angles, obtuse angles, they are different. Which one is the lucky one that it has four equal sides and also four equal angles, or four right angles? It's the square, the most lucky one, as we said before. So our first question here, how are rectangle and rhombus alike? Rectangle and rhombus, they are like on the parent. They have the same parent. Both of them are, yes, both of them, we can name them a parallelogram. So we can say that both of rectangle and rhombus, they are what? Both are parallelogram. Yes, their father is a parallelogram, and both are quadrilaterals as well. In question 3, he's asking us to say if it was a true or false. Okay, all rectangles are squares. No, not for sure. This one is false. Why it's false? Because here, as you see, this is here a rectangle. If I just stretch this rectangle here, so this rectangle, it doesn't have all of the sides not equal. Okay, but if I draw this one, which has four equal sides, so this one, yeah, it can be a square because we have here four equal sides. So not all of the rectangles can be a squares. False. But we can flip it. All of the squares can be rectangles. Okay. Every rhombus is a parallelogram. Let's have a look here on the rhombus. In question 4, he's asking every rhombus is a parallelogram. Here, if we have a look, yes, this is our rhombus, this is the parallelogram. So any rhombus can be a parallelogram because it's his father. Yes, any rhombus has two pair of parallel lines. Here the first pair, and here the second pair. So we can answer here that yes, it's true. It's what? True. Okay, next question. Paragrams are special rectangles. Can we say that the paragram are a special kind of rectangles? Actually, we can say the opposite, that rectangles are special paragrams, because as you see here, yeah, in this one, the paragram cannot be rectangle only if the paragram has 4 right angles, but any rectangle can be a paragram because it's his father. Yes, so here we can say that paragram are a special rectangle. This is false. Next question. Trapezoid can be a square. Have a look here. This trapezoid, it can be a square? No way, because it has one pair of parallel lines. Here it has many things: 4 equal sides, 4 right angles, and 2 pair of parallel lines. So no way that trapezoid can be a square. For sure it's not right, so it's false. Next question here. From question 7 to 10, write whether each statement is a true or false. All rhombuses are rectangles. Actually, we spoke about this, that here rhombuses and rectangles. All of the rhombuses can be rectangles? No, not all of them. If only if it has 4 equal angles or 4 right angles. So this one is false. Every trapezoid is a quadrilateral. Yes, each and every trapezoid. If we draw here a trapezoid, let's draw it here. Trapezoid, this is a trapezoid. Each trapezoid can be a quadrilateral. Yes, because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Because of this, we can name the trapezoid that it's a quadrilateral. Next question. Rhombuses are special paragrams. The rhombuses can be, we can say that it's a special paragrams. Yes, because the rhombus is the son of the paragram, and any rhombus can be what? Can be a paragram. Look at the figure here. This is a rhombus. It can be a paragram. Yes, it can be a paragram because it has 2 pair of parallel lines and its father as well. So because of this, the answer for this one is, yeah, that's true. All rectangles are quadrilateral. If we draw here a rectangle, ask yourself a simple question. It can be a quadrilateral or not? Yes, it can be. Why? Because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So here it's true as well. Now, what properties does the shape have? Why it's not a parallelogram? Okay. Now in question number 11, as you see, is asking us about this shape, which is a kite. Yeah. In this kite, we can say that these 2 sides are equal, and this side also is equal to that side. But in parallelogram, as you see, if I will draw here a parallelogram, this one, what we can notice here is not only they are equal. Yeah, for example, this one is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Here is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, for example. But in this case, here we have this side is parallel to this side, and this side, which is 6, is parallel to that side. We have 2 pair of parallel, yes, sides. But in this case, is this one parallel to that one, the opposite one? No. So we cannot say it's a parallelogram. We cannot mention this because what? Because it doesn't have two pair of parallel lines. So it's not a parallelogram, but we have two sides are equal here and two sides are equal there, but we don't have two pair of parallel lines. Why is a square also rhombus? Because it's a lucky one. We know that the square, let's draw here a square. Let's try to make this equal sides. Yeah, it's gonna be a square. So this is the lucky one. It has 4 equal sides. Since this is square, it has 4 equal sides, we can name it with a rhombus. So why the square can be a rhombus? Because it has 4 equal sides. Okay. Now, question 17. Jeff says that the figure below is a rhombus. This figure is a rhombus. Can we agree with him? Actually, is Jeff correct? No. Why? Because he's asking that this is a rhombus. The rhombus has 4 equal sides. Look at this. This side equal that side, but this side definitely not equal to the other side. So we don't have 4 equal sides. Because of this, we cannot say that this shape is a rhombus. So why? No, it's not a rhombus because it doesn't have 4 equal sides. Yes. What names could be used for this figure? For this figure, actually, it's the shape which most describe this figure is, yeah, exactly, parallelogram. Why it's a parallelogram here? Because we have this one is parallel to this one, and this side is parallel to this side. So we have 2 pair of parallel lines. Because of this, it's a parallelogram. And also we can name it, it's a quadrilateral. It's a quadrilateral. Why it's a quadrilateral? Because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Any shape has 4 sides, we can name it with a quadrilateral, and because it has 2 pair of parallel lines, it's a parallelogram. This is the end of our lesson today. Hopefully that you understand the lesson and you can classify the quadrilaterals according to the figure that he will give to you. Finally, I'd like to thank you and see you in another videos inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.